Let us look at this sum based on conditional probability. A card is drawn in favor of a well shuffled pack of 52 cards at random. Find the probability of getting an ace when it is given that card drawn was back card. Now listen. See how to identify the conditional probability. That is the main question here. When there are two events belonging to the sample space, the same sample space, out of which one event has already occurred. Now we are talking about the probability of the other event. Let us consider E is the first thing is we need to identify the event. So let us consider E as the event to get an ace. So when you say ace, there are four types of ace in a card, set of a pack of cards. So to get an ace. And F is, this is black, okay, was black, BLACK, black. And other event which has already occurred was black, to get black, right? That is to get the black card. You know very well how many A's are there in a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. There are 4 such A's. Similarly, what about the black? The black will be almost 50% of the fully packed card. That is 26. Right? Okay. Now we need to calculate the probability of E first. So what is probability of E? That is 4. And what about the sample space? So this is the number of sample space element is 52. We know what is the general formula for probability. Probability of a particular event is equal to, that is, the number of that event divided by the number of sample space element. So let us apply the same formula here. So probability of E is equal to 4 out of 52. Right? And what about probability of F? That is equal to 26 out of 52. Right? Now, what is the favorable outcomes for, that is, getting 2 blacks? Is it not? So in that case we have to take the E intersection F. E intersection F. So the number of favorable outcomes for this E intersection F will be, it means what? That is, it should belong to A and it should be black. So it means there will be 2 blacks here. That is 2 black aces, because this one and this one, is it not? So there are 2 black aces. So the number of E intersection F is 2. Therefore, we need to calculate the probability of E intersection F. that is equal to, what is that, 2 out of 52. So we have found out all the probabilities, but we had to proceed with the conditional probability. So what is the formula for conditional probability? That is P of E such that F has already occurred. That is equal to P of E intersection F divided by P of F. So just substitute. Therefore, P of intersection is 2 by 52 divided by P of F is 26 divided by 52. It means 1 by 13. That is the answer. Do you understand?